Sky. Yes, this food. Shala, what do you want? You want to do it? Oh, you do it. Oh, you subo her. You give her. You feed her. Go! Feed her! Kung may tuntungan nga ni Shala, Daddy, the princess chair. Go! Go! Be careful. Be gentle, ha? That's her first food. Carrots. Put the high chair. Daddy, para mataas si Shala. Ikaw magpakain sa kapatid mo. That's her first food.
No, paano makikita? Up.
Namiyaya mo siya, may matatayo yan. Okay.
Dahan-dahan lang,
Gentle, that's her first food. Feeding with ate. Ano ngayon? January 2. Skylar is 6 months now. Yay! Go, ate! Good job, ate! Be gentle. Daddy!
Kung saan mo naman sinusubo sa ilong eh.
Be gentle. Shala, you do it.